Hello YouTuber, this is Tariq again with another video. Today we had engine pull out of GMC Acadia 2012. I think it's the same engine for a GMC Acadia Buick Enclave from model 2009 all the way to 13. Customer come in complain about knocking noise. It's a big knocking noise come from the engine. We diagnosed the problem. The noise coming from bank one. So we pulled the engine out of the car. As you guys see here, I drained the oil, was maybe half quart of oil. People, you need to change the oil in the certain time, you know. You see the oil, how it's nasty, and the engine, it's sludgy and oil. Look in here. So the oil make the engine perfect and run perfect, but if you don't change the oil, you're gonna spend a lot of money in repair and fix. So we found the problem was in cylinder number this is cylinder 1, 2, 3. So we got off the piston out, and as you see here, that's the piston. That's the problem, guys. Look how's the what they call it, the rod bearing. If there's no oil in the engine, it's gonna make that. Look, guys. So we got lucky, the piston is still in good shape, and the cylinder as well, good shape. You guys look, there's no major problem or anything scratch or so. We need to order the rod bearing, and we put it on, clean up the engine, flush it, and I guess that's the issue. We set up the timing. We change. I think we need to change the timing in bank one with the tensional. So that's the only issue with, if you hear knocking noise. If you leave the engine with no oil, you're gonna get worse and worse. Maybe you're gonna have more issue. Look, the camshaft. How's the oil is nasty. He got lucky. He got small issue, just the rod arm. That's the only issue making that noise. When the piston going up and down, it hit and making that noise. Look at the coloration here. People didn't change the oil. How it's nasty. People, please change oil in the time. You spend $50-$60 for oil change, but you don't need to spend $1,000 or more than $1,000 for that repair. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel. I'll get you in another video next time when the engine rebuilt. Thank you. Have a nice day.